up? Good morning guys! Welcome back again to my channel and thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please come on guys. I'm begging you, please subscribe my channel. We are here in Coron. Yeah! Andito tayo sa boat. Kung nakikita nyo yun, pupunta tayo sa island. Ewan ko kung saan tayo pupunta, but it's gonna be awesome bro. Tulad nga sabi ko kahapon, mas maganda mag-private kayo para malibot nyo lahat ng gusto nyo gawin tapos sa inyo yung oras. Alright, are you ready? Woo, let's go! Papakita ko sa inyo. Kuya Martin is today's birthday. And happy birthday again, Kuya Martin. Salamat. You're the best. Salamat. See all the boats. And we have our own boat. Yeah. Ito ay po ay private boat. Yo guys, meron pa akong gustong sabihin sa inyo. If you ever get a private boat, I prefer na meron CR. Kasi ito yung CR. Kasi yung ibang boat, for emergency, if you want to yourself, no, hindi, sorry sa word. Kung gusto nyo tumayo, ano, kasi inidoro on the boat. Inidoro on the boat. Kaya please subscribe. Ang kapal na ng mukha ako guys. This is for you.
Our destination now is the first is Kayangan Lake, Certificados, Twin Lagoon, Coral Garden, last is Las de Coral, our lunch area, Siway Beach. So that's it. Our first stop now, going to the Certificados, that is our first stop. Our estimated time travel maybe 15 to 20 minutes, our travel time. Certificados, that is the marine protected area, sir. That's why be careful to step. Don't stick the coral, sir. That's all, and don't touch the coral.
Don't touch the coral.
Don't touch the coral, bros. That is the head, and this is the boobs, and this is the stomach. I don't know, this is the dick, I don't know. Sa'yo na yun. So that is nakahinga yung tao. Keeping giant, yo! Guys! Certificados! The snorkeling area!
Mga isda, iba't-ibang klase mga coral, sir.
Kaya kumintuloy ka dyan kaya. Oh, marami kayong makikita ng iba't ibang klase fish and mga corals. We are going to snork!
Wag po tayong aabak sa coral. Kailangan po pag nag-snorkeling tayo, nasa floating po lang tayo. Float.
Ay, bawal lumubog?
Opo sir, baka po umabot yung paa natin sa mga coral, sa mga...
Okay, naiintindihan ko po. I understand. Guys, ang sabi ni Kuya, huwag niyo pong i-step o hawakan yung mga coral sa ilalim ng dagat. Kasi yun, syempre, ang kalikasan, mahalin natin, ingatan natin. And that's it guys! If you snork, doon lang sa mababaw. Sa ibabaw lang kayo, huwag kayo lumubog. And sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam po, you can put sabon dito sa goggles and also sa loob para hindi po magkaroon na hamog. You can put soap or something in your goggles so that will not become burn alert, or you can also use your saliva. Okay, saliva. Yeah.
I just spit in it right now.
Let's go! Go down deep and hold the corals. Please don't. I love Philippines! Bro, I love you so much! Are you a vlogger too? Yeah. Are you a vlogger too? Yeah. Brrr, next destination! Hey, what's the next destination, Kuya?
Kayangan Lake, sir.
Oh?
Kayangan.
Kayangan Lake! Are you ready to see the Kayangan Lake? Yeah! 5 minutes, Kayangan Lake. Whoa! Too much sunblock is not healthy your face. Look at my face. We are here now, arrived, Kayangan Lake.
Kayangan Lake. Ay, this is Kayangan.
If we cannot fly a drone here, I will try to drone wherever it's legal.
Bring our own life vest because the mandatory policy of Kayangan Lake and Twin Lagoon No life vest, no swim.
No life vest, no swim, no camera, no life. Gatorade, blue Gatorade, blue water. Bring all your belongings when you go out. Don't forget, no life vest, no swim. So please wear your life vest every time. Yee, what's up? Hey. I found a love for me. Watch your step. Medyo mahaba-haba po ang talagang lalakarin natin. Ang galing nila, no? They made this word brilliant.
Lizard. I wanna hug you.
Tago na.
I'm scared.
Let's go.
I want to take it home.
Ayoko na mag-ano, swim. Sorry po, te. So that, guys. Damn! Malaking lizard daw. So, don't worry. Still safe. We can swim in Coron. So, buy some food, water when you come here. Mayroon naman tindahan dito, but, medyo mataas ang price. But if you have money, it's okay. Stairs again. I love stairs. Everyone, they count the steps here in Kayangan. 163 steps pag nasa tuktok. Then when you reach again to the next destination, pababa, 367. So all in all, 367. The top one is 163. Sana naintindihan yung pinagsasabi ko. We are now arriving Kayangan Lake. But before that, maraming nagpapapicture yata dun. Hindi mo na tayo alis. Sisingit tayo para sa inyo. Pero hindi ako magpipicture, just video. Kaya
Apo, pwede
video lang ako. Sorry po guys. Sorry, I will just take a video. Hindi po ako magpapapicture. Don't forget to subscribe. Norris John Vlog Forever. Mwah. Andito tayo sa
This is viewing deck, sir.
Viewing deck. Kaya nga like viewing deck. Show it to you. Yung pila para lang dito. See? Yeah, maganda nga yung view. I'm a vlogger, I'm a crazy vlogger. I'll video everything. We just arrived in 163 steps. So, marami pa tayong steps na palakarin. Taga Valenzuela po, Manila. Yeah, wow. For the tip, sa mga gustong umakyat dito sa Kayangan Lake, please come here very early kasi pag hindi, tingnan nyo yung pila. Kikita nyo yan? Ayoko naman na maranasan nyo yun. Well, tapos na rin ako. Video lang naman ako, hindi ako mag-picture. So, anyway, that's the tip. I can hear someone shouting and screaming and laughing. We're very near now in Kayangan Lake. Sana pumunta rin po kayo dito guys. Everyone swimming, they are so happy. I'm happy and I want you guys to become happy too. Swim here in Coron. Huwag kayo tatalan dito kasi meron mababa, meron din malalim. So I prefer don't kayo tumalon sa malalim. Be careful always. I'm a crazy vlogger, ha? You can jump, dive, safe diving place here. Yeah, I think this is the place. Doon po tayo kanina, bumaba. Okay? And lalakad lang kayo papunta dito. And this. Woo! Hey guys, 70% ang water dito sa Kayangan Lake, so you can open your eyes. Pwedeng hindi nyo gamitin yung goggles nyo. Alin dito ay like 8 meters. So I want to try to dive again, just like in Cebu. Tingnan natin kung kaya ko pang magsisid. This is for you guys. You know, I just want to thank you guys. This is for you. Let's dive 8 meters.
Okay.
Nag-iipon siya ng hangin.
If you watch my dive, kala ko po pwede po mag-dive dito. Ayun, they told me that bawal po mag-dive here in Kayangan Lake. So, please don't try what I did a while ago. Peace, bro! Follow the rules! Respect!
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping.
Marami po tayong pupuntahan pang place. So, sa mga pupunta dito, make sure na package yung kukunin nyo. Ibubook nyo yung package para mapuntahan nyo yung mga magagandang lugar. At the same time, mapupuntahan nyo on time. Lalo kung private yung kinuha nyo. It's better nga sabi ko sa private. Diba kuya? Oh yeah. Wow! Ganda ng view. Good news to everyone sa mga pupunta sa Coron at yung may package na bangka. Hindi lang free toilet, free food. Kasama na sa bayad, no kuya? O kasama na sa bayad. So, enjoy Coron with free food. Yeah! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my Coron's vlog. I hope you like it, and if you're not yet part of my channel, please subscribe, share to everyone. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow guys. I love you so much.